Hello students, we continue with our percentage chapter for standard 8. We move on to exercise 6b. I take the first sum here, that is 36% of the students in a school are girls. If the number of boys is 1440, find the total strength of the school. Now the total strength of the school we have to find out, wherein we are given the percentage of the girls in the school and the number of boys in the school. So let the total strength of the school be X. So let the total strength of the school be X. Now we know that 36% of the students are girls. Therefore, percent of boys in the school will be 100 minus 36, which is 64%. Now, we know that 64% of the total strength of the school are boys, and that number is equal to 1440. So, we have 64% of the total strength is equal to 1440. So let us find the total strength of the school. So it is 64x is equal to 1440 into 100. So x is equal to 1440 into 100 divided by 64. Now here this can cancel with 16. So 16 4s are, 16 9s are, and 0s are. Now again I can cancel this with 2. So 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. So here I get, that is 4500, 45 into 100 divided by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are, again 2 5s are, and 0s are. So my x is equal to 2250. So this is the total strength of the school. Okay. I have done the first sum here in 6b. Second one is similar to the first sum. You can do it for homework on your homework book. Now moving on to the third sum. In an examination, a student has to secure 40% marks to pass. Now Rahul gets 178 marks and fails by 32 marks. Now what are the maximum marks? So here they have told us to find the maximum marks and the passing percentage, that is 40% marks, which is equal to 178 plus 32. So 40% is equal to 178 plus 32. So now let the maximum marks be X. So let the maximum marks be X. Now from this maximum marks we should get 40% marks. Now those 40% marks are equal to 178 plus 32. So my here 40% of my maximum marks, which is equal to, that is 178 plus 32. So here I get 40x upon 100 is equal to, this comes to 210. So x is equal to 210 into 100 divided by 40. So here 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are, 2 5s are. I get here again 2 1s are. Here it is 2 1s are, 2 zeros are, 2 5s are. So x is equal to 105 into 5. So x is equal to 525. So this is my final answer, that is the maximum marks. Now we continue with the fourth sum. The fourth sum is similar to the first one. You can try it out for homework. Now moving on to the fifth sum. On increasing the price of an article by 14%, it becomes rupees 1995. What is its original price? Now the original price of the article is not given here. So let us consider the original price of the article as A. So original price of article, let it be A, rupees A. So now here what is said, on increasing the price of an article by 14%. So by increasing the price of the article, this price of the article by 14%, it becomes 1995. So now for increase we know the formula, that it is 1 plus x upon 100 into A, right? So now substituting here, I will get 1 plus my percentage given is 14% into the price of the article A. When it is increased by 14%, we get it as 1995. So now let us solve this. So cross multiplying, you will get here 100 plus 14 divided by 100. So it comes to 114 divided by 100 into A is equal to 1995. So A is equal to 1995 into 100 divided by 114. So this goes with here 19. So I get it as 19 6s, and here I get it as 19 1s, again 0s and 5s. Again this will go with 2. So 2 3s, 2 5s, 0s. So I get here, this again I can cancel with 3 1s, 3 3s, 9 1, so 5 35. So I get here 35 into 50. So 5 5s are 25, 2 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So 1750. So this is my final answer. That is the original price of the article is rupees 1750. Homework, fourth one is similar to the first one. You can try it out. Okay, now sum number 6 and 7 you can try out for homework because it is similar to increasing. Now I move on to the 8th sum, that is two candidates contested an election. One of them secured 58% votes and won the election by a margin of 2560 votes. How many votes were polled in all? Now we don't know how many votes were polled, so let the polled votes be X. Now one secured 58% of the total votes and won the election by a margin of 2560. Now if one has secured 58%, the other one will secure 100 minus 58%, that is 42%. So let us solve the sum. First we will write how many votes were polled in all. So let the votes polled in all be X. Let the votes polled in all be X. Now the winning candidate percentage is, that is 58%. Winning candidate percentage 58% of X. So the losing candidate percent will be 100 minus 58, that is 42% of the total. Right? Now the winning candidate has won the election by a margin of 2560. So here now my equation will be, that is 58 upon 100 X minus 42 upon 100 X. That gives me the margin of 2560 votes. So now further we will solve this. 58 minus 42, that will give you 16x upon 100 is equal to 2560. So I have here x is equal to 2560 into 100 divided by 16. So 16 ones are 16 ones are 16, 6s are, and 0s are. So my final answer over here is 16000. So here 16,000 votes were polled in